Namaste Dostin, Annyeonghaseyo, Yuriobun. Hello, Zoo Salmon. And hello to all orchid lovers around the world. How was your day today? Is your orchid garden still doing well? Don't hesitate to share with us in the comments below. If you're having trouble dealing with a wilted orchid, don't worry. I'm here to guide you and help bring your plant back to life. Let's work together to keep our orchids healthy and thriving. Let's remove the old moss and soil from the wilted orchid to give it a fresh start. This will help the roots breathe better and absorb nutrients more effectively. Stay with me, and we'll revive this orchid together. Where are you from? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to connect with orchid lovers from all around the world.
Đây ra thể bị rau không tốt, bị nấm, khiến cho các rễ không phát triển. Đây, các đầu rễ không có phát triển thế nào, trong giá thể không còn tí chất dinh dưỡng gì.
Let's not forget to trim off those damaged roots. Rotten or dead roots can prevent your orchid from absorbing water and nutrients properly, slowing down its recovery. By cutting them off, we're giving the plant a fresh start, allowing new, healthy roots to grow stronger and support the orchid's revival. No worries if you're having trouble with the language. Our videos come with subtitles in over 100 languages, including English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and more. Here's how to turn them on. 1. Tap the settings icon on the video. 2. Select subtitles, CC. 3. Choose your language from the list. 4. If it's not available, select Auto Translate and pick your preferred language. In just a few clicks, you can enjoy the video in a language that's comfortable for you. Hope you have a great time watching. Do not forget to wash orchids with water. Why do we wash the orchid? Well, just like us, orchids need a fresh start too. Washing helps remove dirt, dust, and any hidden pests that might be clinging to the leaves and roots. It also clears away old residues that could block the plant from absorbing nutrients properly. A clean orchid is a happy orchid, ready to soak up all the goodness. Three tablespoons rice, 500 milliliters hot water. Did you know rice isn't just good for us, but also for orchids? Rice water is packed with essential nutrients like B vitamins, amino acids, and minerals that help strengthen roots and boost growth. 2 cloves of garlic, sliced it out. Garlic isn't just for cooking, it's a powerhouse for orchids too. It's rich in allicin, a natural antibacterial and antifungal compound that protects the roots from infections. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water. Plus, it's loaded with sulfur, which helps orchids absorb nutrients better and grow stronger. Every time I use garlic water, my orchids become more resistant to pests and diseases. Filter the solution through rails. Combined with garlic water solution. Now, let's take this nutrient boost to the next level. We're adding vitamin B1 to our garlic and rice water solution. Why? Because B1 is like an energy drink for orchids. It helps stimulate root growth, reduces stress, and makes the plant stronger overall. Stirring it up. Now, let's dilute the solution by adding more water. This ensures our garlic rice water and B1 mix is gentle enough for the orchid's roots while still delivering all those amazing nutrients. Now, let's take a cotton ball and gently wipe the orchid's leaves and roots. This helps remove any dirt, bacteria, or leftover residue, allowing the plant to breathe better and absorb nutrients more efficiently. A little extra care goes a long way in keeping our orchid fresh, clean, and healthy. Let's have some fun. Here's a little orchid riddle for you. I bloom in many colors, from white to deep blue. Some say I'm picky, but I'll thrive if you knew. I love airy roots and a misty embrace. With patience and care, I'll brighten your space. What am I? Drop your answer in the comments. Soak it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, use cloth to wipe orchids. Let's use cinnamon to disinfect our orchid. Cinnamon isn't just a kitchen spice, it's a powerful natural antiseptic. It helps prevent infections, keeps bacteria and fungi away, and even promotes healing for cut roots and damaged areas. Let's soak the moss in water. This step is super important because dry moss doesn't hold moisture well. By soaking it first, we make sure it becomes soft, hydrated, and ready to provide the perfect environment for our orchid's roots to grow strong and healthy. Squeeze the moss. We're going to propagate our orchid in a jar. This method creates a mini greenhouse effect, locking in moisture and creating the perfect environment for new roots to develop. First, we'll add a layer of moss at the bottom to help retain moisture and provide a soft cushion for the orchid's delicate roots. Then, we'll carefully place the orchid inside and gently secure it with more moss around the base. This will keep the roots stable while still allowing airflow, which is essential for healthy growth. With patience and proper care, the orchid will start showing signs of new life-fresh roots, stronger leaves, and eventually beautiful blooms. Stay with me and let's watch this little beauty grow together. The leftover solution won't go to waste. We can use it to care for other plants in our garden. This nutrient-rich mix is packed with natural goodness from garlic, rice water, and B1, helping to strengthen roots, boost immunity, and promote healthy growth. Simply dilute it with more water and use it to water your other orchids or even different plants that need an extra boost. With this method, nothing is wasted and all our green friends get to thrive together. Let's keep our garden flourishing. After 3 weeks, the changes will be absolutely amazing. You'll notice the roots growing longer, thicker, and stronger, reaching out eagerly to absorb all the nutrients they need. Instead of being weak and fragile, they'll look plump and full of life. The leaves will also transform, turning a deep, vibrant green, a sure sign that your orchid is thriving and absorbing nutrients properly. You might even see tiny new roots and leaves starting to sprout, proof that your orchid is loving this care routine. It's such a rewarding experience to watch a once weak orchid regain its strength and beauty. We're going to use bark to plant our orchid. Why? Because orchid roots love airflow and bark provides the perfect balance of moisture and ventilation. Unlike regular soil, which can trap too much water and cause root rot, bark keeps the roots healthy by allowing them to breathe. As the bark slowly breaks down, it also releases nutrients that support the orchid's growth. Plus, it mimics the orchid's natural environment, just like how they grow on tree trunks in the wild. So, let's give our orchid the perfect home with fresh bark. And don't forget to add moss. Moss helps retain just the right amount of moisture, keeping the roots hydrated without making them too soggy. It also creates a cozy, natural environment, just like how orchids grow in the wild. Thank you for staying with me until the end. I hope this video has been helpful and has given you new ideas for caring for your orchids. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more orchid care tips.